In the current situation, it is impossible to organize or attend large live events. But society's needs demand from us to move forward and find solutions for existing issues. We need to keep on learning. We need to share knowledge. We need to share our problems and find solutions. We need to innovate, discuss, work and network. So we invented a new concept. It is an interactive European television show broadcasted from the Netherlands, but with contribution from several European cities and breakout sessions in every participating country. Fun, fast, interesting and intelligent. Watch closely and let us explain the concept. Central to the broadcast are the discussions at the table. There will be 2 hosts welcoming several high-level guests. There is also a special host for interaction via WhatsApp, chat, LinkedIn and other platforms. This gives you the possibility to ask questions, comment and discuss your ideas with the guests in the studio and other viewers. Complex topics are introduced by a wide variety of multimedia. Animation, sculpting, performing artists, anything is possible. In each participating country there are satellite studios. They interact with you during the TV show and afterwards. Each location has a parallel session about a special topic. These are open for all guests. This part of the program is a more classic webinar and offers the possibility to learn and share in a more intimate setting. Before, after and during the event, vlogs, podcasts and videos will be available. Normal conferences are very valuable because of the social aspect. For this event, we investigate the possibility to even include this aspect by introducing avatars who can interact on a special exhibition floor. In this video, you saw snapshots of the first Dutch event that was transformed into a television show. The original local event in 2019 got 185 guests. The television event had over 400 guests. For Beyond the Tunnel Vision, we expect over 1,000 viewers from all over Europe. Let's do this. Let's go beyond the tunnel vision. Bring your own tunnel and join the network. Join Beyond TV.